Instagram, Facebook. How you doing? You know me, Martin Morris, 1986. Graduated from Verbum High School over there on Central and Imperial, off of border Nickerson Garden, the football field with our dirt tracks. Probably a real track now. It's been so long since I've been there, man. What else is it? 2001, graduated University of San Francisco. Thought I was gonna be the next Black Donald Trump. 2008, bought some low-cost duplexes in Paradise Valley, Yucca Valley. They take you tennis train me, man. You know what they taught me? I took a Section 8 tenant. Yeah, I'm fucking right, man. In a minute, I thought, oh, you don't want Section 8 people. You don't. Like you learned during the COVID thing down there in, what is it? Glendale. We like diversity. Hey, bring your Section 8 vouchers to us. We need, they were something they were saying. They were just saying, AKA, Section 8 is cashing, dog. That check is cashing. Fuck those Disney people. They got no fucking money. They filing for waivers. Get to Section 8. Go check out my latest video.